We're here at Sitecore Dreamcore 2011 with Darren Guarnaccia. Darren, what's your role at the company, and what are you here to do this week?
So I manage all of product marketing globally. I'm the Senior Vice President of Product Marketing, and at the show Dreamcore, we're announcing the Customer Engagement Platform. The Customer Engagement Platform is really an evolution of Sitecore's foundational web content management platform, and we've evolved our online marketing suite to really become now what we're calling the digital marketing system. So,
what are the components of it?
Foundation is content management, so we have really the foundation layer of content management, which is your classic web content management infrastructure, letting you manage web content, mobile content, social content. And then building on top of that is the digital marketing system, which adds into engagement automation, experience management, experience editing, and then engagement analytics.
How should marketers or other implementers, users of Sitecore, think about this as an all-in-one suite versus using point solutions out there? What's the argument, pro and con?
I think the idea here is about unifying the customer experience. The problem is with a lot of point solutions, while they're very good, they're really silos of customer knowledge, silos of customer experience. What we're doing in this suite is we're really unifying how a customer would interact with you across channel, weaving together that customer experience across their life cycle, across their sales journey with you, if you will, and being able to understand their behavior in the web and how that relates to their behavior across email, behavior in the call center, and really being able to stitch and weave that together into a cohesive customer experience, and really understanding your customer's behavior across channel and across that life cycle and over that time. And I think that's the key with the Sitecore engagement platform, is to be able to weave that together into a cohesive customer experience.
From a product management and product director role, what has the field told you? What have customers, what have partners been asking for, and how does this map to what they've been seeking?
I think this is exactly what customers have been asking for. When customers see this, the lights go on for them. They've struggled with this. The biggest challenge I think that marketers have right now is still the same old problem of not knowing what marketing platforms or what programs are really working and which ones aren't. By adding in engagement analytics as an example, we've added a qualitative measure that really starts to answer the question of which campaigns are performing well, which ones, where is their money being best spent and best utilized, and starting to overcome the age-old question of which 50% of my marketing is effective.
Does this change the audience for selling Sitecore in terms of into organizations, the audience that you're selling into, and is it attracting a new? Do you expect it to attract kind of a new class of buyer?
It does and it doesn't. I think Sitecore is one of the vendors who have really spent a lot of time focusing in on the business user, focusing on the marketing user. We've already been really engaging with that marketing audience. I think what it also does, though, is it starts to even bring in sales to that conversation even more. I think what we're finding now is that sales leadership is starting to realize, wait a minute, I can get valuable customer intelligence out of my web interactions, and I can push that into a CRM as an example. I can give that to my sales force. They can make more informed, better decisions about how they engage with their customers. So now you're stitching together the online world with the offline world, and what I learn in one place can be used in the other. And so it's expanding that vision just a little bit further. Customer service now is also starting to come to the table in a way that they've never really done before. And so it's really expanding the leadership from a central set of IT folks or content authors to a much bigger business conversation. And it's really expanding the vision even out to the CEO level, where they really think about how they can move the needle, because this stuff is able to really improve your business in a way that just publishing web pages never could. And
talk about release. When's it coming out?
So at Dreamcore, we're releasing the preview edition of the customer engagement platform. At our Dreamcore Europe show, June 8th, we'll be actually going GA, general availability release. And so in about 2 months, this will be out, but you can get your hands on it right now. You can start to play with it. It's available out on the Sitecore Developer Network. As a customer and a partner, you can start working with this, giving us feedback, and starting to experience it right now.
Great. Darren, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.